Hello everyone, good morning, happy Sunday, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a disrupted open cup. I want to use some colors today that's going to give it more of a whimsical, almost like a faded feel. And I'm going to do that by using a lot of white in my pour. But what I want to do is use a deep purple base so that it kind of has like an undertone of purple and blue going through it. This is what I've got in my head, so hopefully that'll translate down on the canvas. So, but what I'm going to be using today is some Artist Loft Soft Body White. So that stuff tends to cloud up and poof up a little bit. So should get some big, bolder, giant cells out of this too. So let's get down on the canvas, get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So what I've got today is a 15 by 30 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. And I'm doing an open cup. I'm probably not going to leave any negative space. But what I wanted to do was paint my sides and edges my primary color that's going to be used for my pour color, and that is Artist Loft in Violet. So this is kind of like the soft body, but it's not the soft body. It is the actual old school, what the white used to be. I've had this on my shelf for a while. So what I'll do is explain my colors as I go. So again, for those of you new who've never seen the open cup pour, I take a 16-ounce cup and I cut the top of it off, and that's what I'm going to use to pour my paint into. So today I'm going to start dead center and allow the cup to travel in any direction that it wants. So I'm going to put down a puddle of purple. Going to put that cup there, and then I'm going to pour just a little bit more in the center and a little bit more on the outside here. All right. So what I do with my open cups is I pour from up high so that my paint will sink below this purple. My first color is going to be Amsterdam Greenish Blue. Pouring a lot in there. Now I'm going to go with some white. This is Amsterdam in the gold yellow. And then I'm going to go with primary yellow from Amsterdam. You can already see that starting to come up to the top. Perfect. Ooh, it looks like a starburst. And the Artist Loft White is getting cloudy and puffy already. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna tilt it. I'm gonna lift and twist and come over to this side. All right, so I know I've got a huge amount of purple over here already. I'm gonna lay this right in the center of this big purple area. All right, I'm just gonna pour a little bit of purple in here to give it a puddle. Now I'm gonna do the exact same color scheme. The greenish blue. Some white. That gold yellow. And the primary yellow. This is looking very whimsical. I like it. All right, so now I'm gonna lift and twist, and I'm gonna come out this way, I think. Lift and twist. Okay, now we get to disrupt. So we know this waviness is going to come off, this is going to come off, but I think for what I want to do for composition wise, I want to break up a little bit of this, but not too much. So what I can do is take it and kind of come through that. Let's put some more purple down over here. All right. Now it's time to tilt. This come off down this way. Really cool. I'm loving what's happening here. This forward motion going this way. The cloudy, poofy cells from the Artist Loft Soft Body White, phenomenal. I got some really great lacing with it as well. Fantastic. Got hints of the greenish blue still running through all of the colors. Really, really great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna touch up my sides and edges. I'll torch, and then I'll bring you guys in. Okay guys, here we are with the wet result. This is really cool. I love how the lines are going through it, but look how the colors are blending and it's just giving those big boulder cells with the white. That's all the Artist Loft soft body white. There's nothing in it. There's no silicone. There's no satin enamels, just the paint and the Floetrol. Fantastic. Let's bring you in for a close-up. All right, everyone, that's it. So I can't show you the dried result because it literally is still drying. So I will put that in next Wednesday's video. But don't forget, you can take this class from me at the Fluid Art Experience happening in March. Head over to the website to book your classes now. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Everyone have a great rest of the weekend. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.